What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at forex and just my prediction of last Sunday when I still made that other video, and let's just see how my prediction got and how my trading went for this whole week. Let's just get into it, guys. Okay guys, as you guys can see, Great British Pound, New Zealand dollar, as you guys can see, that was a profitable trade right there. You guys can see my prediction. I believe Great British Pound, New Zealand dollar is going to push down, and it did, with extra bonus of bad news for Great British Pound. It was a beautiful trade, guys. It was a very nice trade. And yes, identified that channel in smaller time frames. When you go in smaller time frames, identified that channel right there. And I was keep on seeing patterns and structures right there. Like what I'm trying to say is, you guys can see it got rejected there, and it got rejected again as a pattern, guys. Then once we got to that level again, I shorted it. I took some profit there. I took my profit there. Then I got out of the market right there. Then it went up. Then we become identifying a structure right there, and it's keep on happening over and over. It happened once, it happened twice, and it happened 3 times. I shorted right there. Took another sell at that very moment, understanding that if it breaks out the trend, I would have taken my losses and stuff. Then it went down, guys. I took another sell position there for the big target, as you guys can see. Took another sell position there. That one was just an early position. I took a little more smaller position because that was just an entry, a small to early position. Understanding that one is more riskier. But yeah, guys, it went down. That was bad news. What was coming? That was right around that zone right there. Great British Pound also got bad news. It was pushing down, guys. I took some profit right there. I took that zone right there. I took that profit right there. And when it came to that zone, when I saw it there, I took my profit right there, guys. End of the day, guys, Great British Pound was an excellent, profitable, successful trade at this very moment. Loved it, guys. Let's go to the next one, guys. Okay, guys, on AUD. You can AUD New Zealand dollar. You can see that we're in that structure right there, and I identified that structure right there. I identified that we were in a zone right there. Structure was going making lows and highs. It was running sideways, guys, and I identified that. Then at that very moment right there, I took my first sell position right there. Understanding, yes, you're not by the best good deal zone, but I took my first position there. Then it went down, guys. Then when it went down, it shot up again. I took another position right there. Let's go quickly go to 4 hourly. I took another position at that specific high right there, guys. Right there, I took another position. Understanding that, yes, I did risk a little bit because this was starting to break through the 180-day simple moving average. My stop loss was just right above there, but I wanted a full candle above, guys. I wanted a full candle above, like something like that. I just wanted a candle above it, something like that. We said full candle beneath. I want a full candle above to before I close any trade, guys. I entered one position there, like I thought, and another position there. Shot down, and I took my profit right there, guys. Beautiful, successful trade. And once again, guys, what was I playing? I was playing structure. It happened before, and it's going to happen again. It's just a matter of time. It's going to happen again. But understanding that doesn't mean that the structure was there. Every time it was keep on bouncing that zone. When you enter and bounce on that zone again, that's where we have to do risk management and stuff. But guys, that was a beautiful trade. Got in, identified the turnaround, understood there was diversions or starting to turn around, understanding that we was keep on bouncing against the 180-day EMA. And guys, we got rejected, entered, and took my profit where it makes sense to take a profit, because keep on getting, every time it goes to that zone, it gets rejected, correct? Goes to that zone, gets rejected, goes to that zone, gets rejected. And that's why, guys, I took my profit right. I took that profit right there, and I took that entry right there. Understanding that because we're in that zone, sell zone, we have to sell because we're taking risk. Yes, it did break through, but we're going to take a very big risk because it bounced so much times on that zone, guys. Other than that, guys, let's go to the next chart. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, USD Canada, because it's such a high time frame, we just have to wait. Unfortunately, I didn't enter this week. I'm 10 to 1 going to enter next week. The week was coming now. I'm 10 to 1 going to enter because USD Canada is such a high time frame. I just have to wait and be patient for my entry. But as you guys can see on the video, I predicted it at that very moment and stuff. Understanding that when I do enter, I don't want the candles to break back in the channel again, and that's why I'm taking my stop loss right there around that zone, because when I do enter, I don't want the candles breaking in the pattern. Basically, I don't want the candles going back. I want it just to chop. That's what I want there to happen, correct? I just want it to chop. But guys, you know, you just have to be patient. You just have to wait for that trade to play out still. But guys, other than that, this week when it came to trading was a very successful week. Was a very nice week when it came to trading, guys. But I'll see you on Sunday on the next video, guys. Have a lovely day further. I'm out.